Well, here's something I didn't know I could do on Canva until today, which is going to save me literally hundreds of hours. So all you have to do is open up your Canva app on your phone, or you can use desktop as well. Then you're going to click to make a new design. So if you're on mobile, you're going to click the purple circle with the plus sign in it on the bottom right. And then you're going to click on presentation, okay, 16 by 9. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a course creator, so I create a lot of webinars. Now, here's something you probably already knew. There's a bunch of templates for presentations, right? But now they have a feature layouts, okay? So it's already all laid out for you. Check this out. All you gotta do is add in your text and your images. But here's where it gets really cool. Right next to where it says search layouts, there's a painter's palette. Click on that icon, okay? Then you're gonna click on brand. And as long as you have a pro account and you have your brand kit set up, which I would highly recommend, what it's gonna do is it's gonna populate all of your colors and all of your fonts over the entire layout, okay? And what's cool is you can set the default background. So for me, I would pick my eggshell color. Look, everything's already set up. Literally all my colors, all my fonts. All I have to do is go in and add the photos and the text. This is going to save me hundreds of hours.